which would have lessened the penalties on carjacking. And then all of a sudden, Biden woke up, Biden had someone came into his office and said, what are you doing? And he did an about face. He said, I don't support some of the changes of the D.C. Council and his practice this year at the fact. Political reporting, one reporter said, F this is amateur hour. So, well, Democrats are playing politics, carjackings are going up, and now you have a member of the caucus even not football.
Big Joe.
So Morgan, at that meeting on Talk and Focus last hour, we had a little clip of sound from that, and you could hear them talking about there had been 412 arrests so far this year. 753.
All right, here we go. Let's get started.
So 412 arrests for everything in one category of crime that
I think there's two problems here. Number one, they won't do anything about the short sellers.
All right, anime fans.
Number two, unless you're on NASDAQ, I think I'm right about this. And it gets
And
below
good-
a certain price, you can't even fucking
And good
buy it.
morning, kids. Tonight we're gonna draw Doraemon.
I tried buying some.
This guy is a future-sized gizmo-eyes gadget cat from the future.
They wouldn't let me buy it.
This guy has been around for, let's just say, ever since the 1990s. I thought it was that. Anyway, it first appeared in my country on 2014, and then it debuted season 2 in 2015. And a few years later, before we get started into that, all right, I'll just say it. It moved on to Netflix. Basically, when I first saw Doraemon, I thought this guy was a Digimon. It has the word Mon in his background, in the back of his name. Anyway, Doraemon got his first ever movie on my page. Well, it was called Stand By Me Doraemon. And then after that, it had a sequel, which was kind of amazing. We got to see the future, which is kind of like the same future as Robonyan.
But the whole point is, we've been yelling this entire time about
Why does it remind you of that? Well, he is from the same timeline as him. Anyway, now we just draw this part here, and done. That is how you draw Doraemon. Seriously. If this was in Digimon, trust me, it would make the show more exciting. But anyway, Doraemon is still a great character, even though he had his own debut in Japan. We got to see a lot of stuff related to him in Japan. And what? Okay, I got it. Anyway, if Doraemon had a third sequel, that would be interesting. Anyway, I hope you guys got to enjoy this episode. Please sure to like and walk and subscribe, and let me know what new character you want me to draw next. And be sure to check out the Digimon playlist as well. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.